Hey guys, it's me, Sherry, and I thought I'd pop on here and do a lookbook. And this lookbook is by Style. I'm going to be doing items from Style We. They contacted me again. This will be my second lookbook from Style We. And Style We is a company made up of designers around the world. And you just go on their website and you just pick what fashions you like, and they're from different designers. And anyway, it takes about 10 working days to receive your items, and it comes in a bag like this. All the items I got, except for this one behind me, this one is one size fits most, and for reference, I'm a size 6'8", and I am 5 feet 7 inches tall, just for reference if you guys are interested in any of these items. And then all the other items I ordered, I believe, are in an extra large. So I highly recommend, if you like something that is very tapered and fitted, I would go up 2 sizes. If there's an item that is kind of flowy and not very fitted, I would probably just go up 1 size. So I hope that helps. And anyway, I hope you enjoyed this lookbook. I love doing these types of videos, so thumbs up if you like this. I would love to continue to entertain you with these videos, and it's a plus for me because I get the items for free, and you know how much I love clothes and love fashion, so that's totally a bonus for me. And if you like any of these items, I will put the links in the description box below. And so I hope you enjoy this. Bye.